In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Excel formulas calculate automatically. If you have ever entered a formula and noticed that the result does not update right away, this setting is exactly what you need. Excel can be configured to calculate formulas automatically, or it can be set to wait until you tell it to recalculate. The goal today is to make Excel update your formulas as soon as you make changes to the data. To begin, look at the top of your Excel window. You will see several tabs, such as Home, Insert, and Layout. Click the Formulas tab. This tab is where Excel places most of the tools related to building, managing, and controlling calculations. When you switch to the Formulas tab, you should see options for working with functions, formula auditing, and calculation settings. Once you are on the Formulas tab, take a moment to find the section that relates to calculations. Depending on your Excel version and the screen size, the layout may look slightly different, but the main idea is the same. You are going to click Calculation Options. This is the control that determines how Excel decides when to recalculate formulas. It is important to locate this button because the setting you need is inside this area. After you click Calculation Options, Excel will display a small menu. Now you are ready for the actual switch that makes the formulas update automatically. In that menu, click Automatic. When you choose Automatic, Excel will recalculate formulas whenever the workbook requires it. That includes when you edit values, paste new data, or update cells that other formulas depend on. This ensures your results stay current without needing extra manual steps. Before you move on, it is a good idea to understand what Automatic changes for you. With Automatic selected, Excel continuously checks for changes that affect formulas. If a formula uses values from other cells, Excel will update the result as those referenced cells change. This is especially helpful in spreadsheets, where you are adjusting numbers and expecting the totals, averages, and other calculated outputs to respond immediately. To confirm that the setting is working, make a simple change to a cell that is used by a formula. Then watch the calculated result update. If the formula depends on that input, you should see the value refresh right away. This quick check is a practical way to verify that Excel is indeed recalculating automatically in your workbook. If you have been working with formulas that do not update, returning to this Calculation Options menu is the main fix. Once Automatic is enabled, you can continue working normally. You will not need to manually trigger a recalculation after each edit, and your spreadsheet will behave more like a live calculator. Now that Automatic is selected, your spreadsheet is set up to keep formula results accurate as you work. That saves time and helps prevent confusion when you are reviewing numbers, comparing scenarios, or updating reports. And once this setting is enabled, it typically remains in effect for your session or workbook, depending on your Excel configuration. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.